Hi, I am Arindam Mollik and you all are welcome to my channel Technical Audi. I also welcoming you on my C programming course. Our today's topic is Merge Sort. This is part 24. Now in my previous video I will discuss on the divide and conquer technique. What is the divide and conquer says that? Divide and conquer says that if our problem is large, then divide into small sub-problems. Then make a solution for the small sub-problems. Then combine it to get the actual solution for the big problem. That is the basically concept of the divide and conquer technique. Here, in case of merge sort, is worked on the base on the this divide and conquer technique. That means in this merge sort, I will discuss the how the divide and conquer used in merge sort. Now, first thing, there is a array of the lots of elements are there. Okay, like there is a 20 or 50 elements. For an example, if I will tell you that sort them, this is a problem. But for an example, you are 10 divide the subarray like 4 parts or 5 parts. Then for each subarray, you will do the merge sort. It's after that until you will do the operation until you got the one single element. This if you have the array of the just one element, there is a no portion of the sorting. Because these are already sorted. Array or list have the just only one element. This is obviously sorted array because the array have the just one elements. There is a no elements for the comparison. So obviously your list or array is sorted. It's easy for you. Then so find your solution. Then combine them for get the actual solution for the subarray. Same procedure for the another subarrays. Then combine them for the getting the final result of the initial. That means the large array. That is basically a concept here used in divide and conquer. This used on the this merge sort algorithm. This is the basically our algorithm for the merge sort. Basically, it is a function. This is called merge sort. Data type is void. Return type is void. Now, that means nothing is written. Now, 3 parameters we are passing on this merge sort function. First is array, full array is passed, data type is integer, and L and H means lower bound value and upper bound value. Okay, L and H or data type is integer. So 3 parameters we are passing. Now initialize a variable, declare a variable mid. Okay, for integer data type. Now this is a condition. First we will check that if L is less than H, that means its lower bound value is less than upper bound value. If condition is true, then go to the block of this if statement. Next, calculate mid. Mid equals to L plus H by 2 is lower bound plus upper bound by 2. Calculate mid. Next, this is a recursion is used. This is a recursive functions. Recursive calls are there. Merge sort is call itself on the 2 times. Okay. First, merge sort ARR means whole array, then L means lower bound value, then mid. I will explain you when I will trace the code. Next, another call merge sort ARR, then mid plus 1 comma H. Merge, then we are means first we are. What is our concept in the divide and conquer? Basically, we are find the mid value. Okay, fine. We are finding our value, that is a mid value. Then we are divide the array in the like 2 parts. For an example, it is 2 parts. Okay. Then one subarray is from lower bound to mid, and another subarray from mid plus 1. This means just after the value, after the position of the mid. So that is a mid plus 1 to upper bound. Means there is a 2 array. Then we are using the sorting. This merge sort is done. Merge sort operation performed from these 2 subarray, the left hand side and right hand side. Means L to mid and mid plus 1 to high. Then After that the operation is successful, then merge. This I already in the previous video in the part 23 I already explained you how the two-way merging or procedure are done. This concept is used here in two-way merging. This is a merge function. Here we are passing the four parameters: ARR, whole array, lower bound value, mid and high. Yes. Now I will trace the code. For an example, this is an array. Okay, what is the elements now? 39, 9, 81, 45, 90, 27, 72, 18. Now, next, this is this index value is, so 39 index value is 0, 9 is index value is 1, 81 index value is 2, 45 index value is 3, 90 is index value is 4, 27 index value is 5, 72 is index value is 6, 18 index value is 7. So 0 to 7, that means total how many elements? 8 elements. Now L means lower bound is point here on 0 and upper bound is H is pointed on the 7. Now calculate mid. This is the basically I will show you the divide, means how the arrays are divided on the some sub-arrays. These are dividing procedure. Next I will show you the how to combine or conquer procedure. Next. So now, so our first step, what is our first step? Calculate this mid. Means how to, first I will check if L is less than H, that means lower bound is upper less than upper bound. Check. What is the L value? 0. What is the upper bound value? 7. Check. 0 is, if 0 is less than 7, yes, condition is true because 0 is less, condition is true. Then what is the next part? Check. Calculate the mid value, L plus H by 2. Now what is the L value? 0. What is the H value? 7. So 0 plus 7 by 2. What is the result? Actual result 3.5. But we are taking the integer, as well assign the mid value as integer, so we will take the just 3 because means just before of the point, so we will take the 3 as an integer. Now this is a step you must be remind, because these steps we will perform. This is the operation basically. This is the operation here. This is a step. I will written a step here, but this operation is performed for the every cases. Now what is the written? Divide the whole array to the two sub-array. Means we are divide this one whole array to the two sub-arrays. One sub-array is indexed from the L to mid. What is the mid value? 3. So mid is point now 3. So this is the one part, this one sub-array, and this is the another sub-array. Okay. So basically it's a two part. Two sub-array we are divided. Okay. Next. So every time we are done the same things. Mid calculate mid, then one divide in the whole array to the two sub-array. Divide the whole array to the two sub-array. One is starting from the index L to mid, another is the mid plus 1 to high, means H. That is our basic thing. This operation is done on every cases. Now, so that means, so we are dividing this array to the two sub-array. One is this part, means 39, 9, 81 and 45. These are first sub-array. This is the second sub-array, 90, 27, 72, 18. So this is the two sub-array. One is a 30. This is the first sub-array. This is the second sub-array. I will be pointing it now. Now, same. Next, again use the merge sort. Means again we are do this operation. Means again we divide this whole array. First we will consider the first sub-array. Do the operation on this first sub-array. Next, after completed, then we will perform the operation on the second sub-array. First, again, calculate the mid value. What is the mid value now? What is the mid value? This 39 is index is 0, 9 is index is 1, 81 index is 2, 45 index is 3. Now, what is the calculate? How can I calculate? L plus H by 2. That means 0 plus 3 by 2. That means 1. So mid is now pointing. What is the mid value now? Here. This is the mid value. This is the mid value. Now, what is the mid plus 1? This. So, again, divide the whole array to the two sub-array. One part is the 39 and 9. Another sub-array is become 81 and 45. Next. See this, apply the step. That means we are divide this array to the two sub-array. Next. So, this is a part. So, what is the two part? One part in the one sub-array is two elements are there, 39 and 9. This is a 39 and 9. and another sub-array is 81 and 45. You will check yes, right. Again use the operation or repeat the step. That means again we are dividing. Now you ask me, sir, this how much time we are use this dividing? How much time? You divide the array until you got the just single element. If you got the just single element, stop, not dividing, because I will explain you after some time. Now then again use this operation. Calculate mid. What is the mid value now? 31 index is 0, 9 index is 1. Now calculate mid. L plus h by 2. This means 0 plus 1 by 2. That means 0. So mid is now point here and mid plus 1 is point here. Mid is pointing 0, mid plus 1 is 1. Again divide it. Next. Fine. Again use this operation on the this subarray. Means two elements, this subarray have the two elements 81 and 45. Index is 0 and 1. Calculate mid. Mid equals to L plus h by 2. That means here also mid value is 0. So mid is pointing here and mid plus is pointing here. Now as I will already show you on this arrow, with this arrow. Now again divide it. Now so mid value is 0, so divide. 1 means L to mid. If now just so basically here just in this in our array there is just two element on this left array and right array. Okay, these two array just two element. So just divide it. 39, 9, 81, 45. Now keep in mind this is the 4 is the this 4 means 39, 9 is the 81, 45 is the 4 list, or you can say that this is a 4 array. Okay, this is just a 4 array. Now you ask me, sir, how can it possible? You say that it's an array, but yes, it is an array, or it is, you can say it is a list. List have the just one element. Now for an example, if there is an array just one element, is an array? Obviously it's an array. Is it sorted? Obviously it's sorted, because for an example, is an array just have the one element 39. Is it sorted? Yes, it is sorted. Element have the array having the one element, this is 9. Sorted? Yes, sorted. So these 4 array are sorted. Now next, so our first subarray is over, operation is done. Next we are performing our operation on this second subarray. This is our second subarray. Now calculate mid. What is the, how can I calculate 0 plus means L plus h means 0 plus h by 2, that is 1. So now mid is pointing here, this is our mid value is 1, mid plus 1 is 2. So divide on the two subarray. One is from L to mid and is a mid plus 1 to h. So divide them. Then repeat the step again. This is the step. Now so after divided, this is our two subarray we have got. Now again repeat the step, means again we are performing the mid. Mid equals to, there's just two elements, so 0 and 1 is the index. So 0 plus 1 by 2, this is 0. Now this is L and H value. Now so obviously mid is pointing on the here and mid plus 1 is pointing on the here. Right? Now what is the mid value? Mid equals to 0 plus 1 by 2, that is 0. This is the mid value, mid plus 1. Now coming here, this array, this is the index 72 is index value is 0 and 18 index value is just 1. Calculate mid. 0 plus 1 by 2. So what is the value? Again 0. So 0 is means mid is pointing on the 0. 1 is the value is 1. Mid plus 1 is value is 1. Again divide it. Again divide. So there is a just if you divide, there's 90, 27, 72, 18. This is a 4 array or 4 list. Again I will, it is very important, because it's a sort, this is an array, just one element. Array just a one element, or list just have one element. Is it sorted? This 90, just 90. Sorted? Yes, because in an array have the just one element. 90 is just one element in the array. This 90, just one element in the array. This 27. Is sorted? Obviously sorted. There is no element for the comparison. Sorted. That is a single element. Now next, this is basically divide. Now you will observe carefully. Here we cannot further divide. No further divide, because in array have the just one element. How can it possible to divide? So it stop here. So what is the stopping condition? Means I will tell you that divide and divide on the large array, sub array. When you stop, you have got the just one element. Stop. Now again, this is a conquer procedure, means combine, how to combine the this sorted array to the final the got the result. It's a combination. Now here we basically use the two-way merging procedure as I will show you on my previous video, the part 23, two-way merging. I will explain. If you don't see that video, click on I button and see that. Okay? Next, two-way merge. Next, this is the two element 39. Now basically these are not element, these are list. So if I ask you the question, how many array are there or how many list are there? 8 array or 8 list. 8 array or 8 list have the just single element. Means the first array, these have the just single element, just one element 39. This is the third array having the single element 81. So what is that now? We will perform the two-way merging. What is the two-way merging procedure says? Two-way merging procedure says that compare the two element, which is smallest, insert on the third array. So if you compare 39 is 9, which is smallest 9, then insert 39, make it a array. Okay, and this is the third array. Okay. So two element. Next, performing the two-way merging here. Compare 81 and 45, which is smallest, 45 is smallest. Then first 45 inserted, then insert 81. This is another array. Again, apply two-way merging 90 and 27, which is smaller, 27 is smaller, 90 is greater. So first 27 inserted, then insert the 90. Then compare this. Apply two-way merging. 18 is smaller, 18 is first inserted, then 72 is inserted. Now this is the array. These are 4 array there having the two elements. The first array, second array, third array, fourth array. So first array elements is 9 and 39. Second array element is 45 and 81. Third array elements is 27 and 90. Fourth array elements is 18 and 72. Again use the two-way merging. First compare 9 and 45, which is smaller, 9 is smaller. Copy on the third array, this is third array, okay. Copy 9. Increment, now compare 39 and 45, which is smaller, 39 is smaller. Again this copy this, 45 and 41 is copied just. This is the one array I formed. Next, again use a two-way merging here. Compare this, 27 and 18, which is smaller, 18 is smaller. 18 is copied here. Next, again compare 27 and 72, which is smaller, 27 is smaller, copy it. Again compare 90 and 72, which is smaller, 72 is smaller. Then the last 90 is inserted. So you have got the final two array having the 4 elements. First array elements are 9, 39, 45, 81. Second array elements are 18, 27, 72, 90. Then after that, again use the two-way merging. Next, first 9 is compared with the 18, which is smaller, 9. Increment here. Next compare 39 and 18, which is smaller, 18 is smaller. Again compare 39 with 27, 27 is smaller. Then again compare it with 39 and 72, which is smaller, 39 is smaller, copy the 39. Again compare with the 47 and 72, which is smaller, 45 is smaller, copy it. Again compare 81 and 72, which is smaller, 72 is smaller. Copy again compare the 81 and 90, 81 is smaller. Then last the item is copied here, just 90. So this is the final our sorted array after using the merge sort. So what do you mean by the conquer procedure? Conquer means just a combine. If you are clearly observed, here is a user two-way merge. Basically we just do the two-way merging, basically we are sorted, okay? It's a sorted. Again, this is sorted. This two array again you are using the two-way merging. So after got the final result, this is the after using the merge sort, this is the final result. Okay? I will show you the code after some time. Okay, this is a merge sort code. Okay, but keep practicing and trace the code. Okay, because it is very important. If you are tracing the code, you are clear the concept of the algorithms, how are the procedure are working, how the codes are working. So I will request you, please practice the code as well, trace the code and trace the algorithms. I will show you the code. Okay, after some time. Thank you for watching.